this is our 12th week. How does it compare to the first week when you first started?
Yeah, I mean, my balance is just, it's, my whole body has sort of changed. Like I can feel like when I'm working out, like now my glutes are engaged. Like I feel way more connected throughout my whole body. My whole body feels so much stronger. Like even my daughter who I train with, she wants to learn the exercises because she is annoyed because she feels I'm so much stronger now. And I mean, I haven't even been doing any strength training, so it's ridiculous.
No, how old is your daughter?
Like she's 18, and we
okay.
yeah, so she's much stronger than me, but yeah, normally she just sort of like chucks me around and stuff, but now when I do exercises, I feel like strong, like I feel strong all through my arms, through my glutes, everywhere. So I'm using my whole body more, and I just feel like she just really notices it. She's quite sort of surprised, and I feel stronger. Like even when I'm just doing like wrestling, I feel like I'm more grounded and like I'm gripping the ground with my feet. Even my when I'm doing kicks and stuff, I feel like my ankles, my feet are more stable. Like I'm using my body like much more mindfully and in ways that I wasn't aware of before.
Gotcha. Well, I know you guys were under lockdown. Were you able to spar at all this week?
It wasn't very, like, it was sort of more of a fun sparring because the environment like isn't as good. Yeah, it was just sort of playful sparring, but I feel like I'm not getting fatigued as much. Like yeah, I've really noticed like I'm just like better on my feet, the mobility. I noticed like how my hands were quite stiff and everything. I feel like they're like getting a lot more mobility, like feeling really less stiff and sore, so that's really good. Those wall bounces and the ulnar, like it's, yeah, I feel like my hands were probably quite like, they get quite sort of stiff and nerve damage from punching everything, and I don't really work on that. That's good. The just feeling the like glutes burn in the marble exercises and the med ball as well. Like, that's just like in the core, like I was almost getting cramps.
Very good.
Like in my abs, like when I'm doing that, it's like
rotational, the rotational hyperlock lunge was the rotation of the medicine ball.
Yeah. And also like even just those hopping exercises, like, at the beginning it was, I mean, I can't remember, maybe I was doing 1:30. Now I'm doing like 3 minutes and it's all good. Like it's really, really different. I'm telling all my friends to like follow you.
Thank you. Great. Well, let's get started then.
Oh.